This kit includes a 1,200-pound indoor mag lock, an exit button available in 3 different models that you can choose according to your needs, and a power supply. We have kits for out-swinging doors and in-swinging doors. These kits are for commercial applications. We recommend using them for projects like gyms, commercial, industrial, hospitality, retail, hospitals, schools, churches, jewelries, gas stations, and much more.
This is the installation diagram for this kit. You can find it physically in the package and on the FPC Security website. You may also install the mag lock on almost any type of door, being metal, wood, glass, and others. The mag lock is installed beneath the top of the door frame, and the armature plate is installed on the door to make sure the door remains closed and locked. An electromagnetic lock only needs to be rated for the strength of the door it holds. The door and frame need to be strong enough to be able to utilize the locking force that's available from our mag locks, 300, 600, or 1,200 pounds. We recommend a 300 to 600 pounds holding force for interior doors and a holding force of 1,200 or more for higher security, such as exterior doors or interior computer room doors. The LED light on the mag lock helps you identify when the mag lock is locked and unlocked. When the light is red, the mag lock is unlocked. When the light is green, the mag lock is locked. Take advantage of our new and improved LED sensor light, wider and brighter. All of our indoor mag locks come with a contact sensor wire that you can use to connect to a door sensor. This product has a 3-year warranty.
This type of kit comes in 3 different variations. One comes with the VIS 7000, a green indoor push-to-exit button with LED that also includes the insert push-to-exit in Spanish version. Another variation comes with one VIS 7001, an indoor and outdoor waterproof request-to-exit button, and the last variation comes with one VIS 7013, an indoor no-touch request-to-exit button with time delay feature and LED light. With this, you don't have to actually push a button to exit. All you have to do is wave your hand and the door will open. These exit buttons have a 3-year warranty.
This kit does not include any type of entry device such as keypad/reader for entry.
You'll be able to unlock the door using the exit button included in this kit.